So yesterday we did the Vans Always Land right side up challenge. Apparently that's a challenge on the internet now. And I still don't know why people are so amazed about it. Today I thought we'd test the myth with another pair of low top sneakers to see if just all low top sneakers fall right side up. Here we have one of the sickest pairs of low top sneakers ever made. It is the Jordan 1 Low Chicago's. These things are criminally underrated. I got these on sale for like 75 bucks and now they go for like $300. So I guess they're not that underrated anymore. But when I bought these, they were underrated. We're gonna take out the shoe trees just so they have the same flexibility that Vans do to keep this as an even experiment. We are getting scientific on this channel, boys and girls. This is Sneaker Science Volume 2 right here. Do Jordan 1 lows land right side up just like Vans? Yep, they do. Okay, just in case that was a fluke, let's give this another little try. I mean, this is pretty amazing science here. Do these land right side up? Whoa. Okay, yeah, they land right side up. Myth debunked, all low top shoes land right side up. No one saw that flip, right? Hey guys, what is up? We are back again. I hope all of you guys are feeling great. It is an absolutely beautiful day outside today in Winnipeg. The sun is shining, the snow is melting, and it feels like winter might be over. Keeping my fingers crossed on that one. Who knows, tomorrow we're probably gonna get a blizzard knowing my luck. But it's not cold outside today, which is great. A whole bunch of stuff planned for today. We're gonna be meeting up with Josh, we're gonna be hitting up Foot Locker, we're gonna be taking a look at a brand new pair of sneakers that everyone absolutely hates. Before we get into any of that though, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the videos, and everyone as well, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at Tom Stefaniuk, just like you see right there. But that being said, let's swing over to Foot Locker and see if they have anything new. We are in Foot Locker, and I have really good news. I was just notified by my buddy that these are in my pair that I ordered, but I was also notified that I can't pick them up without the receipt. So I will not be getting these today. I'll probably just come back tomorrow. I mean, I live a block away, so it's no problem at all. We got the white ones. These are relatively new. I mean, they always have all white Jordan 1 mids. This is nothing new to see an all white Jordan 1 mid. But this particular run of them came out within the last couple of weeks. We have the 9s. What do you guys think of Jordan 9s? Honestly, like seriously, what do you think of Jordan 9s? They have the patchwork ones that look like this coming out this weekend. I'm not a huge fan of them. I'm not going to pick them up. I mean, the Inertias are coming out this weekend. That's the shoe I'm going to be focusing on. But I've always liked Jordan 9s. I've never worn them. I've owned one pair in the past, the black anthracite charcoal suede looking ones. Never wore them, and honestly probably never will. I don't know, it's a sick looking shoe. I just can never find a good excuse to throw these on feet. Okay, so there's two possibilities going on here right now. Possibility number one is that I am crazy, or possibility number two is that everyone else I've seen on the internet is crazy. You guys will have to decide for me. So I've pulled out this pair of shoes for reference. This is a pair of Jordan 3s. This is pretty much the closest pair that I have in my collection to the pair we are talking about today. The Jordan 3 Katrinas. These things are so fresh. I don't know how I haven't worn these yet. That is beside the point. These look fairly similar to the newly leaked pictures of the Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield in this white and red colorway. This one right here, basically just white and red, that big strip of red along the midsole and the mudguard. I think they are absolutely amazing. As soon as I saw them, I tweeted out, I said I loved them, I said I wanted to buy them, and then as more people saw them, I saw different publications saying that they looked disgusting. I saw different YouTubers saying that they were gross. I saw polls with 75% of the votes being, nah, these are trash. Mike Rich went as far to make an entire video on the pair of shoes saying that they sucked. I think they're amazing. I think it's one of the coolest looking designs I've ever seen. Now, I love Jordan 3s. I love the Tinker 3. I personally do not own any pairs of the Tinker 3 model currently. And as soon as I saw those, I was like, yep, I am picking those up. The all white with that giant hit of red all along the bottom, I thought was an amazing colorway concept. And it obviously draws inspiration from another shoe that Tinker Hatfield designed, the Nike Air Max 1 and the original Air Max 1 colorway. I thought it was a sick looking design and I was so excited. And I thought everyone else would be excited for them too. They come out later this month, I believe. And then I saw the reactions on Twitter and apparently everyone hates them. I don't know. I don't know what to think at this point. I still like them. I'm not going to change my opinion because other people don't like them. I would never do that, and I don't encourage you guys to do that. Buy what you like because at the end of the day, that's what matters. But I really thought this was a good looking pair of shoes. I thought everyone else would like it, and usually I'm a fairly good judge of whether a shoe is going to be popular in the general public or not. And I completely missed the mark on these ones, apparently.
Oh, man.
Good.
It's sunny right here. Look at this. What's up, vlog? It's been a while.
Okay, there's this pair of shoes that I think is amazing and everyone else thinks sucks.
Yeah.
You're going to be the deciding vote here.
But you guys hate my opinion of shoes, though.
Okay, these are them. What do you think?
They're not bad. They're not, like, you know how I feel about colors and
You don't like colors, do you?
well, I think that's decent. Like, why? One color, nice uniform. It looks good.
So they get the thumbs up?
They get the maybe.
See, I told you they weren't terrible. I mean, I think they're really nice. Josh thinks they're okay. I wanted to meet up with Josh for two reasons. First, we needed to talk about some cool stuff that hopefully may be happening soon. Some stuff dealing with island nations on the other side of the world.
Let's do it, man.
And also, Josh is about to graduate college where he's doing YouTube as his college project. I know he goes to the coolest school ever and he needs 5,000 more views by the end of the week to finish his project. So I'm gonna leave a link to his newest video down in the description. You guys need to go check it out, help him out. Otherwise, his thousands of dollars of college tuition is going down the toilet.
That's right. I fail.
Do you actually?
No.
Oh.
Wait, I mean, yeah.
Yes, you failed.
I fail. Help me.
Click on the link in the description. There's like a 70% chance I completely forget to put it there.
And the videos aren't bad. They're not good.